Are you tired of high electric bills due to your inefficient or outdated air conditioner? Are there areas of your home that are uncomfortable no matter how long your AC unit runs? Does it sound like a jet engine every time your air conditioner kicks on? Would you like to save 40 to 60% on your air conditioning electric bill? We can help. Introducing SolarCool by Sedna Air USA. SolarCool is the most energy efficient air conditioning system you can buy. It's quiet, affordable, and environmentally friendly. The amazing SolarCool system can even reduce or eliminate hotspots in your home, making you and your family comfortable no matter where you are. It's all possible because of revolutionary developments in air conditioning technology. Solar thermal air conditioning is the combination of a state-of-the-art, high-efficiency air conditioning system integrated with our proprietary solar thermal collector, creating the most energy-efficient air conditioning system available today. The hotter it gets, the better it works. Now the blazing hot sun can actually help keep your home cool. The key element in this breakthrough technology is the integrated solar thermal collector. The collector superheats your air conditioning system's additional refrigerant, which reduces the workload of your compressor. This action increases the efficiency rating of your AC system up to 32 SEER, and in some cases, even higher. And it lowers your overall power consumption, saving you energy and money. The SolarCool system provides a 10-year parts and labor warranty. In addition to your monthly energy savings, you automatically qualify for a 30% federal tax credit on the SolarCool system and its installation. With the SolarCool system, keeping your home cool and saving money on your electric bill are now easier than ever. SolarCool. The hotter it gets, the better it works.